So I'm having the big boy breakfast with 2 pancakes, 2 eggs with cheese, and 3 sausage links. And Bill is having a Western omelet with hash browns with cheese. I'm sorry, that's home fries. and rye toast. Looks delicious.
All right, I'm gonna start off with the pancakes. Get that butter on. So this is Bill's first time with me. Bill, you don't have to. Sorry. Do you eat things one at a time? It's like I always like to ask. You know, you like to mix it up. Okay.
Yeah. I thought it was quite strange the way you were doing your pancakes, but who am I to judge, really? Come on.
Nice bit of fluffiness there. Delicious. All right. We'll be back later for the eggs. All right, we're on to the scrambled eggs. Nice, generous amount of cheese on there. Lots of cheese. Cooked just right. I don't like a lot of white in my eggs. All yellow. Gotta be yellow. Okay, on the sausage. Look at it, cooked all the way through. Impressive.
The food here is fantastic.
This food, it just doesn't look like much from in here. We're outside. Tell you what, I might come here again. But all right, let's get out of here.
All right.
You know, I forgot to mention how cool these cups are. A lot of places I eat at, they just get generic cups, but they actually go the extra step and put their logo on it. Brady Street. Look out. Minivan.
Remember, kids, there's no such thing as a free lunch.